Welcome back to the Hamilton Public Library. This is Linda, and today we're going to have some fun with paper hearts flower art. To make your project today, you will need a pattern. Today we're going to use a heart, but you can use whatever you'd like. To make the flowers, you will need hearts cut out in different colors and sizes. I used a Cricut to cut out these hearts, but you can use heart punches or cut them out by hand. So you can see I have different sizes and a few different colors. You will also need a card, an old gift card or a library card, and a pair of tweezers. And lots of hearts to complete your project. So I'm going to show you how to fold the hearts in half, which may sound kind of simple, but this is where a card comes in handy. You want to line up the 2 points of the heart and fold it directly in the middle. This makes a perfectly even fold, and also makes it easier to fold the really tiniest of hearts. So we'll fold a couple more so you can see how it's done, and then we're going to move on to creating the flowers. So I have folded 8 large purple hearts in half, and now we're going to form them into a circle to make the flower. You need 8 to make a flower. You need an even number anyway, just so that they form a nice even circle. You want the petals to face the same way, so the rounded edge to all go into the same direction. And you're going to place them on your pattern before gluing them down. This way, if you don't like how it looks or you make a mistake, it's easy to adjust. If they're already glued down, you'll basically have to start over. So you see here, I went over the edge a little bit, so I'm going to move my flower over. And here is the flower. So you can make the flower in different sizes. So if your hearts are smaller, it'll make a smaller flower. If they're larger, it will make a larger flower. Now we're going to go back to my original project here. I've already folded all the hearts and placed them where I'd like. I'm going to start gluing the hearts along the outer edge first. It's easier to start from the outside and work your way in. And your design may change as you're gluing them down, and that's okay. But this just gives you an idea of where you'd like to place most of your hearts. So we're going to start with a small one. And we're going to continue working around the pattern. And this is where the tweezer comes in handy, picking up or placing the smallest hearts especially, and also holding them down to make sure they stick to the glue so that you're not burning your fingers. I am using hot glue. You could use white glue as well. I just find that hot glue works faster. But you can see here I'm using the tweezers to place this one, and then pushing it down to make sure it stays glued. And so we're going to continue with the gluing, and then we'll come back and look at the final project. And we're back with the project all done. You can see that I've glued down all the petals, and then I use the tweezers to go through and pull off the strings that come with hot glue. I hope you enjoyed the craft today, and I hope you check out my other videos on this channel. Thank you.